everyone, so today we're gonna be unboxing our new SJ Cam action camera. So it's gonna be useful for our upcoming swimming. Diba, Ili?
Yes.
We're gonna be doing snorkeling. You know what snorkeling is? You're gonna fish bees. Look, si baby. Ay, galing. So, I'm actually choosing between
This is mine for
Modoko and SJ Cam. And GPT suggested that SJ Cam is better kasi halos magkaparesyo lang naman din sila and somehow mas established na yung brand ng SJ Cam. Okay? Though I haven't tried the Modoko yet. Pero pinag-compare ko kasi yung SJ Cam saka yung Modoko, yung specs niya. And this one is much better and I think konti lang yung diferensya nila sa price. It's either mas mahal to or mas mahal yung Modoko. Well, we'll see. So yung SJ Cam kasi medyo matagal na siyang brand. Kaya ito muna yung pinili ko. But we'll see later kung ano. Ito yung ito. Yeah, this one. Meron na siyang may nakalagay na siya na
Manok.
case.
My sad.
What? That's manual. So, ganito rin siya buksan.
Ay, doggy.
See? Yan siya.
Picture mo to, oh.
Tapos, ito yung mga
Ma,
yeah,
picture mo to mamaya.
included sa package.
Aba.
And aside from that pala, kasi, meron din na kasi siyang, app for SJ Cam. Not sure sa Modoko. So, ito yung mga kasama sa package niya. So, ito yung,
This one.
I think, lagayan.
Yuppie.
Bracket. And, I don't know what this is. Parang sticker ba yun? And, what's this? Barnyard. And, okay. Dito yan. Wait. Dito yan. Teka. Ayan. Nakaganto siya. Ganun.
And put her here.
Ayan. Yun lang. Yun lang. So, wala na siyang iba. May charger din.
Baby.
Cord. May siya ibang kasama. And what else? What's this? Ay, baka dito to. Baka ito yung, ganun. Hindi siya magnetic to. Pwede mo siyang i-clip dito sa'yo. Diba? If, or, yung lanyard gamitin mo. Asan yung lanyard? Ay. Or ito. Pwede gamitin mo. This, yung tali. So, hindi siya magnetic. Unlike dun sa Modoko. Yun lang. But anyway. And this one is ganito kasabi. Ayan. Saan ba to? Ito pa, may kasama ganito. I don't know what this is. So, yun lang. Yun lang yung mga kasama niya sa bag. And by the way, I bought this for like 2,000. I bought this for 2,500. Something like that. Yeah, 2,500. So, yun lang. Bye!